Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 99 of Building the Enterprise-D. In this issue, we've got another frame piece to fit to the saucer section. The start of how it all connects up with the neck. Interesting stuff. We've got some more bulbs, one which we'll be fitting later. 2 or 4, depending on which way you want to count it, will be fitting in there now. So these separate off a little bit each way, and the bulbs need to be pulled apart a little bit. And these are going to fit there, there, and then the other two are going to fit there and there. The one thing you do have to be aware of is where the wires go. And you can never tell from these pictures exactly where the wires go. This is going to be the outside, so they're going to have to go underneath somewhere. So I'm just going to make them pop up where needed. So that one, for instance, is going to pop up there. These 5 little brackets and AM screws will hold them in place. Well, 4 of them. One's for that one. So this first one, I'll get in place. I need a screwdriver that's going to be the right sort of size for that. We'll go for one of these. Good fit there. And this is the screwdriver that's not magnetic at all. Can I make it magnetic? Let's see. If I stick a magnet to there, maybe a little bit more magnetic than it used to be. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, let's see if I can get that in place over there. That will go over the top. Actually, I'm going to put that in place first. That, and then I can work the bulb into it. Just a moment. That's going to go there-ish. Then the bulb I can work up into there. Bit like that. I'm going to get these 4 all fitted in like they should be, and then come back and show fitting this into the saucer section and fitting the final bulb. Right, that's all of those connected up onto that platform there and plugged in. I've also plugged in the last one that I need to connect. So this needs to connect up, obviously just next to the previous one there, like so, joining up to the middle. So we've obviously got another one, the same to do over this side at some point. And then this bulb will fit into there just the same as the others have once that's all connected up and threaded through. They do, in fact, work. I've had to relocate my battery pack. It's going to end up about there anyway, so I'm going to move it to about there and see how it goes. Somewhere around here, I've still got the switch. There it is, which now activates all of the lights, including these new ones that I've just got there. So let me get these screwed in their combination of BM, JM, and FM, I think, screws to hold that in place. So we'll get that in. I'll get that bulb on there, and then we'll have a look how it looks when it's complete. And there we have it, all attached, all secure, nice and tight. Just got that bulb to fit in place, and we'll be done. So that's that. I'm going to leave it there on camera because I need to twiddle this and get this fitted in as well. So that will just take an extra second or two. That will be in place and we'll be done. Let's flick it back on again just to see I haven't disturbed anything. Yeah, all still good. We've got the lights down there. We've got the new ones there ready for panels to go over the top. And then we can pick the final section. I'm looking forward to it. It's getting good. I'm going to see how the neck fits onto that at some point, but we'll get the panels on first. So see you next time for more of that. And continuing on, as the build progresses. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying it. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.